Welcome to Propel. Hey there, I'm Martin, and today I'm going to show you how to create powerful, personalized pitches and press releases using Propel's advanced AI tools. First, go to the Projects tab, then click the Add New Project button. Click the Start Project button under Content Project. Give your project a name and choose the related account. This sets up your workspace for everything you'll be working on. Now, let's move on to writing your pitch draft. Click Write Your Pitch. And you've got a few options here. If you want an AI-generated pitch, all you need to do is type a brief description or prompt about your pitch and click Generate. You can use the default Propel standard voice or any custom voice you've set up to match your style. If you haven't created a custom voice yet, it's easy to do. Just add a pitch you've already written, and Propel will use it to learn your style. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually write your pitch. Just click the small drop-down arrow and type out your subject line and pitch body. Don't forget to click Save when you're happy with the pitch. Once your pitch draft is complete, head back to the project checklist. You'll see a green check mark next to your task, indicating it's done. Now let's write your press release. Click Write Your Press Release and follow the same process as with your pitch. You can either generate an AI draft or manually write your own press release, depending on what works best for you. And here's a helpful tip. If your project grows into a full-blown PR campaign, you can easily convert it into an A to Z pitching project. Need to add collaborators? No problem. You can click the plus icon anytime to bring in team members for the entire project or specific tasks. And there you have it. With Propel, creating personalized PR content is fast and easy, helping you stay organized and focused on what really matters. For more tips and tutorials, check out our playlist or contact support. Thanks for watching.